All right, cool. So we're going to do a spinal undulation or a spinal wave. I love this as a form of decompression of the spine, but it can also be quite challenging, but mainly a little bit of spinal mobility. So we're going to start in a child's pose with the feet flexed, so toes pushing into the floor, and then I'm quite active as well with my hands. I'm spiraling my fingers or my elbows over my fingers, and then I want to round, so now I'm pulling my ribs in as much as I can. I'm trying to pull my belly button in as much as I can, and now I'm pushing into my toes, I'm pushing into my hands, and I'm driving my hips up all the way as high as I can to the ceiling, pushing my upper body forward, getting as long as I can through the lower body, waving the spine forward, bringing the hips to the floor, chest to the floor, head to the floor, and then I come back. I go big extension from the upper back, spiral the elbows together, and then I tuck the chin, trying to round all the way back to child's pose. And again, hips up nice and high, staying really rounded. One vertebrae at a time, I'm pushing forward and going into my extension, hips to the floor, chest to the floor, head to the floor, big extension through the upper back, and then tuck the chin into the neck, neck into the chest, chest into the ribs, ribs into each other, and I'm back into my child's pose. And there is our spinal undulation, our spinal wave.